Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Prime. My name is Ayush, and on this channel we teach about Power Apps and Power Platform, focusing on the real world solution step by step from beginner to advanced. So first of all, if your model driven app still look like the old UI and you want to make it modern, clean and professional without writing any code, then this video is for you. So this is our first video. So if you want to learn Power Apps, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So on this channel, we will show you how the new modern UI of model driven app can be enabled using setting and feature, and how the header automatically become clean and the professional. So many people say that the model driven app UI looks old and that customization feels difficult, but Microsoft has introduced an amazing feature that can completely change the look of your app. So all right, let's move to the demo. So first of all, we need to open our model driven app. So this is our model driven app, which is look like this, and then we will open the app into the editing mode. And once the app open, we need to click on the setting icon, and in then click on the feature. And here we need to search for header and navigation refresh, and then we need to turn on this feature and click onto the save button. So once this feature saved, we need to publish the app. As we as the app published successfully, so we can move to the our app page or preview, and then here we need to hard reload the page. So after reloading the page, you will notice that the UI of the model driven app has completely changed. The header, which was earlier in a blue color, now looks more clean, modern, and rich in UI. So in this way, without using JavaScript, without using any CSS, and only by using custom setting, we can change the entire UI of the application. So this new look is much better and professional from the old one. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments which topic you want us to cover in the next video, so we can provide you with the right content.